first?
You ready?
Yeah, well, are you gonna go first?
Dartboard's there. Just hit it.
All right.
So we're out in the garage, and I don't know. We should probably do something.
Yeah, we do have a show called Let's Go to the Garage. Hey, I hit the dartboard.
Hey, I got one.
Hey,
Cool.
hey.
So,
Yeah. Hey guys,
what's going on?
what's going on, everybody?
So we're hanging out in the garage right now.
Yes, throwing some darts. Figured we, in the garage. Let's go to it.
Yeah, let's try. So, what do you want to do today?
Well, I don't know.
I mean, I got those old saw blades we've been talking about doing something with.
Yeah. So maybe we should make some knives.
Knives? Maybe an axe?
An axe, a meat
Something
cleaver.
cool? Something manly. Something that makes me look tough when I hold it.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
your
Like
cooking apron.
It's denim.
Oh, sorry.
It's because I'm on my shyness.
You ain't even close.
No.
But now that we're done shooting darts, let's make some knives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. So we got our stuff.
We got metal
And wood.
We've got a pattern here for the meat cleaver that we're going to use in the kitchen eventually.
And I also got a pattern off of the interwebs for a handle. We'll grind that sucker down, shape her up.
Yeah, what you can see is we've got an old saw blade, just an old circular saw blade. They're tough and, the teeth wear out. This looks like it might have been carbide tipped at one time, but
Maybe once.
we're just going to cut it out of this. We've got a magic marker. We're going to trace this out. We're going to use the cutoff wheel and cut it out. And while I'm doing that,
I'm gonna get the handle all shaped up, get this thing ready to go.
yeah,
Before too long, we'll get this thing sharp and see how well it'll cut.
yeah, might hack off a finger in the process. Let's do it.
Yeah.
What do you think, Wally?
I think we got ourselves a nice looking axe going on there.
Yeah, we're gonna make it a little bit longer.
Yeah, we want to get that up off the handle a little bit.
Yeah, and it's just a pattern, so it's kind of like get it close, you shape it later. That's
Why we got the belt sand for.
How's that going over there?
I'm being sprayed with the spark. Yeah. You know what? I'll wait. I'll wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was you worried?
No, but that was badass.
It won't be long now.
We's almost there.
We almost there.
It's like we're trying to cut metal with a grinding wheel.
Don't tell the audience. I'm making lots of sparks, guys. I'm making lots of sparks.
We put the smoke alarm in the garage.
I think we're gonna have to open the door. What kind of wood is that?
This is African mahogany.
Yeah, probably harder than the steel I'm cutting.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit.
but it's a good handle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good wood, man. I'm gonna be blowing out red boogers for like a week, man.
Hey, put that in your bare hand. Tell me how that feels.
I'm sure it's hot.
No, it's not hot.
No,
Just tell me how that grip feels.
I like it.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, I mean, your hands are smaller, so.
It's not the size of a hand.
How you make a fist?
Or whatever.
Oh, yeah, they look really good. So does the dust collecting off the fibers on the top of your head where you haven't shaved.
Yeah.
So, hey.
So we finally got it down to this point. Unfortunately, I picked probably the hardest piece of wood I could find. I got some, I think it's African mahogany. Extremely hard.
Wait, Wisconsin jumped out right there, didn't it?
Mahogany. Yeah, mahogany. Yeah, not the easiest material to shape in sand. But
I'll
we got
be
it done.
honest. I think it was easier to shape the metal.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much. I could have probably used the angle grinder on
We
this.
cut through this quicker than we did that.
Yeah.
Or you did that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's up next?
So anyway, so from here we got to get the blade attached to the handle. So we're just going to drill some holes right through here and some slots. Kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like here.
Hey, do you want to just duct tape it
actually.
on?
Duct tape. Yeah, we could duct tape it.
I got some good blue painter's tape. That should hold.
So that's kind of the look we're going for here. Got a little medieval axe thing going on. So let's get her done.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Ooh. We got the vice, we got the vice. Yeah, yeah, we got the vice.
I think on it.
Throw an edge on it. Put something to protect that wood because you know how delicate it is.
Ready for this?
Jab it in there.
Let me try it.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's
yeah, put it in there, Wally. Don't slice the dirt like that. Look at that. Ha ha ha! Yeah, bullseye, buddy. All right, let's put some protective sealant on that.
Yeah, because the wood is the
Rock
one thing
wood.
that needs some protecting, apparently.
Apparently.
But it'll bring out the nice natural color and finish of the wood. Oh, that blade is still warm.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Oh man, we should leather wrap that too.
Darn it,
Look
I
at
just
that.
blew out
My old belt. Orange juice and candles, you say?
Yeah, well, you know, it's citrus oil, and wax.
Careful. That is sharp.
It's kind of sharp. It poked my finger a couple of times.
So I guess the next time we're at our family cookout, we can.
And there you have it.
I like it. Good balance. Ooh, that does feel nice.
Just the fun things you can do with old saw blades. I would recommend not using that kind of wood, but you know what?
I don't know. I think it'll last forever.
It should. It should last longer than the steel.
So guys, there you go. A couple hours in your garage. You needed a meat cleaver. Or cutter. Oh. Yeah.
You need to go get that.
Alright. Alright guys, so what you can see here is, you know, we've got it done.
It's your new Viking battle axe.
Yeah, it turned out pretty cool. I mean, it's got a gargantuan handle made of steel, wood.
African mahogany steel.
Yeah, so it's hard. And an old circular saw blade we just have laying around, so.
Yeah, the fun stuff you can do in an afternoon.
Yeah,
And, you know, Jeremy wanted a meat cleaver.
yeah.
I say we cleave some meat.
Cleave the meat.
Have at her.
Arrgh! Wow, that went right through the bone. Look at that.
That is clean through.
Arrgh! Viking battle axe!